Hi, I'm Tricia at Club Scrap. This is the Bandana Page Kit, and with the contents of our box, you'll be able to make a set of 8 12 by 12 scrapbook pages with almost no scraps. Now, the papers we're featuring in this collection include 2 each of this paisley print and then 2 scarf prints. You're gonna love those. And then for the plain sheets in a beautiful cover weight stock, there are 2 aqua, 2 soft white, and these papers have a deep texture on them, and then 2 black and 2 red. And to help make completing your pages much easier, we also include 2 sheets of printed cut-aparts. Now, once you separate each of these pieces of art into an individual element, it will do a great job of adding page titles, journaling prompts, and other cool images to your pages. To make your papers go further, we include 3 each of 4 different colors of photo mats. These are trimmed to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, so you can easily just add your 4 by 6 photo to the mat. We love decorating our pages with ribbon. This month is no exception. Here we have this white saddle stitched red grosgrain ribbon, and then a super soft off-white ribbon, and then this black ribbon with metallic silver woven through the middle. Your kit also features a custom printed die cut that we can separate into some really cool different elements to help finish your pages. And you'll also find 3 heart-shaped scallop-edged tags, 2 stunning teardrop-shaped charms, and a set of 6 silver charms in 2 different shapes. Now, I don't know about you, but I hate wasting paper, especially paper this beautiful, and we have the solution for that. With your kit, you'll be able to print and download a copy of instructions that are very detailed and outline every single cut you'll make to recreate a set of 8 pages. To make page assembly much easier, you'll be able to follow along with yours truly on a full video workshop tutorial. So we'll begin by trimming all of the papers required for all 8 layouts at once, and then I'll give you lots of tips and tricks on how to finish the layout assembly, and in the end, you won't have anything left over except for these 8 beautiful pages on which you can add your photos. Think about giving Club Scrap a try today. You're gonna love all these time-saving techniques and your finished pages. I'll see you in class.